Jerome Powell is set to speak in about 1 hour, and Trump had a speech today. I'm not too sure if you guys have heard it. I would encourage you not just to take my word for it, but take time and actually watch the speech and listen to it. Supposedly there was issues with the teleprompter, and I think he did his best. Some people are saying, oh, this was like planned or prepared to try to embarrass Trump. I don't know. I don't think it was a good speech. I think it, just like anything, right? They obviously, and this isn't just against Trump, it's against, this would have happened with Biden or really anyone. They have these teleprompters and pretty much they read a script. He had some points he wanted to make. It just, in my opinion, let me just share with you. So Trump is speaking to the United Nations and has spent the first portion of his speech congratulating himself for creating the greatest economy in history, lowering prices on everything for Americans, as well as ending all of wars. I'm not exaggerating at the least. He starts off the speech by saying, hey, teleprompters are broken, but don't worry. I'd love for this speech to come off from the heart, which again, it's his light-hearted sense of humor. I don't see anything wrong with that, but you can see that there was a lack of preparation with what it is that he ended up saying, because the summary of Trump's speech on UN today was, your countries all suck. None of you know what you're doing. The US is better at everything, all because of me. And that was just the tone. It's he just continued to congratulate himself for literally everything, which is, again, there's nothing wrong for ending the wars and stuff like that. I do agree, it is credit to him, but it kind of has to speak for itself. You don't always have to recognize yourself. It does come off, I would say, maybe not in the best way. So I'm right about everything. You should listen to me and do what I say and give me lots of awards. Yeah, it's just weird. Jerome Powell is set to speak in the next 1 hour. For those that do not know, JP, here we go. Jerome Powell is set to speak in about 56 minutes from when I'm filming this. And based off of the video yesterday, you guys want me to go live. So I'm going to go live. I'm going to go live about 15 minutes before. Just wanted to make sure that you guys were aware and kind of where the market's at. The reason I wanted to go upload this video very quickly is where the NASDAQ market is currently at. Very simple. Markets are still incredibly bullish. In my opinion, markets are very overbought and overvalued. I think that irrational markets support irrational valuations. That's kind of the market sentiment and it's been the theme for all of 2025. With that being said, we are testing a major support range at 600. This isn't to panic. This isn't to freak out. This is normal. Markets, as they rally, they become overbought and then they correct. They pull back. It's not a end of the world. It's just be careful if you are leveraged up here. That's all I'm saying. If we break that support at 600, we have some gap down potential. I'm not saying that we're going to crash. I'm not saying that we're going to sell off. Maybe what Jerome Powell says is bullish and it pushes the markets to new highs. No one knows. We can't predict, but we can always prepare. And that's what this whole video is about, is Jerome Powell is about to speak. He's super influential to the overall market. I just want to make sure that you are aware so you're not surprised, right? Better to prepare than to be surprised. Testing a major support range at $600. You can see that it's been testing it all morning. It wouldn't surprise me that when he begins to speak, if he says anything that is more dovish than hawkish, meaning that he's less willing to cut rates and more willing to pause, then get ready for markets to retrace, because again, that's not something that has been factored in already. So very excited to follow up and to watch the market react. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And do not forget, again, we trade live every single morning right at market open. If you ever want to tune on in, you get access to the A to Z video lesson library, our daily live trading session, and access to our private group chat. That's all included in the new LPP 3.0. And again, if you want to join LPP 3.0 for as little as $1 a day, it's the second link in the description down below. And we'll see you there. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. We'll be live in about 1 hour from now as Jerome Powell is set to speak. So hope to see you in a few minutes. Take care, team.